Hello everyone and welcome to the next session of Core Java. From this session, we will start the discussion about collection framework, which is very important topic in Java. So, let's start our discussion with understanding of what is collection framework. So, the collection in Java is nothing but a framework which provides an architecture to store and manipulate the group of objects. Now, what is a group of objects? That is nothing but any group of individual objects which are represented as a single unit is known as a collection of objects. Means what? So far, whatever objects we have created, that one object can hold one or the information about one entity. Now, I need to store such multiple objects together. So, in Java, collection framework is used to store these group of objects. There is a separate framework which is named as collection framework. This collection framework is introduced in JDK 1.2. So, what was there in that particular collection framework is various interfaces and classes which are implementing that particular collection framework functionalities. So we have interfaces where the standards are specified in the form of methods, and there are implementations for those interfaces. Now, one more term which is you might feel which is a new one. What is a framework? So a framework is nothing but a group of classes, we will say, or interfaces which provide us a base or a frame to work on, a ready-made architecture based on which I can create my own application. So it is a base, it is a frame which is ready-made, which is provided to me, and when I need to work with it, I can perform certain operations based on that particular framework. Now, what can we achieve, or what all operations are performed by Java collections is like searching, sorting, insertion, manipulation, deletion, etc. Now, these all things we can do with arrays as well, isn't it? Array is nothing but also group of elements. However, there are certain limitations of arrays. What are those limitations? First of all, arrays are fixed length. Then only same type of data can be stored. Searching, sorting can be implemented in array, but we will have to explicitly specify logic every time. So say for example, I have a string array and I have implemented certain logic to search a string in a string array, then that same logic cannot be used to search any integer value. So I will have to rewrite that particular logic. Insertion, deletion is not possible because arrays are fixed length. When I say insertion, that means I will have to insert an element and the length should be increased. Arrays being static data members or static elements, they cannot be changed. So these are certain limitations of arrays, and collection framework overcomes all these problems, all these limitations. So this is about the collection framework. What is a collection framework? Now, what do we have in collection framework is there are various implementations like list, set, map, and their classes. So list, set, and map are the interfaces, and we have certain classes which are implementing these interfaces. So we will eventually understand each and every implementation in upcoming sessions. Thank you.